The force that pulls everything to the center of the earth is called gravitational force.
Hi friends! Today we will learn about frictional force. Frictional force is a force that acts between two surfaces to either to slow it down or to stop it completely.
Frictional force helps us to walk on the floor. Frictional force helps us to write on the page.
Example of friction. मैंने गाड़ी के पीछे से फोर्स लगाया, लेकिन ये गाड़ी और टायर और जमीन के बीच में जो फ्रिक्शन बना है उसकी वजह से ये अपने आप ही रुक गए.
This is electrostatic force. When a ruler is rubbed vigorously on hair and then held over bits of paper, the ruler attracts small bits of paper.
When I bring the magnet closer to the iron pins, it attracts like this. The force applied by magnet is called magnetic force. Thank you.
Two magnets does not attract to each other, it means their poles are same. When they attract to each other, it means their poles are different. Thank you.
When we try to push down a bottle cap into a bowl of water, it is the upward force exerted by water on any object that is dropped into the water. Thus it is called buoyant force. Thank you.
First we'll take bowl filled with water and dip matchstick into it, and we'll see that matchstick flows into the water.